Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an MX Master 2. First, ensure your mouse is powered off by using the switch on its underside. Next, locate and remove the two small T5 screws visible near the top of the mouse's bottom. Then, carefully peel off the two larger bottom covers. These hide 4 additional PH0 screws that you'll need to access. With the covers removed, use a PH0 screwdriver to unscrew the 4 hidden screws. Once all screws are out, gently begin to separate the top and bottom shells. Use a thin plastic pry tool if needed, but be very careful. Remember, the two halves are connected by a delicate flat ribbon cable, so do not pull them apart forcefully. Now that the shells are slightly open, carefully disconnect the flat ribbon cable from its connector on the main circuit board. This allows you to fully separate the top and bottom. Next, locate the battery connector on the main printed circuit board and gently unplug it. You may find additional screws securing the main board or other components. Remove these as needed for full access. To put your MX Master 2s back together, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Make sure all cables are properly connected and all screws are securely, but not over-tightened in place. Test the mouse's functionality before replacing the bottom covers. Remember, patience is key for a successful reassembly. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. It's a great resource for anyone interested in smart money management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.